Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your profile views on TikTok. And if you turn off your profile views, then you will not be able to see the people who have visited your profile, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, after opening TikTok, you want to click on the profile option at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you click on the profile option, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Now once you click on the three line, it's going to show you this option. In this option, you want to click on the last one where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, you want to go inside that. Now once you're inside the privacy option, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called profile views, the second last option. If you can't find it, click on profile views and it should be on, so just turn it off and you're good to go. That's how you guys can turn off your profile views on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.